Crypto staking is one of the best way to make money right in the crypto space, and you do not have to trade. You do not have to raise or lift a finger. All you just have to do is for you to use your dormant fund, that is money that is lying in your account doing nothing. That is all you need to do when it comes to crypto staking. And right on this update, I will walk you through on how to get started in crypto staking just by using your Trust Wallet app alone. So if you are interested in knowing how to start crypto staking in the year 2026 just by using your Trust Wallet, then this update is for you. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started right on this update. Many of us has unused fund lying down in our Trust Wallet account doing nothing, but in my own case, I use my unused fund to generate daily income for myself even without trading. Now you can see right here, this is about 12.373 US dollar right here. I was able to grow this money from around $4 to over $12 just by using what I'm about referring to you right on this update. But remember, this is never a financial advice. This video is only for educational purpose. Always do your due diligence before you jump on anything called crypto trading at all, because I will not be held for your loss or profits you generate from this update, right? So now, how can you get started? It's actually very easy. What you have to do is for you to own a Trust Wallet app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, just go straight to Play Store, or on your iOS, go and download your Trust Wallet app for yourself. So once you are done with that, come to your own page, right? Come to your own page and scroll down. Just keep on scrolling down, scroll down, keep scrolling down until when you see the area that says N. Okay, so right here, this is the area that shows N. Just click on this N right here. Once you click on this N right here, it's going to load up. If you have any existing staking, you are going to see it right here. In my own case, I have existing staking right here. That is what you can see, my N portfolio. So once you are here, the next thing you are going to do is for you to decide on which of the coin you want to actually stake on. You can decide to go for Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and lot of coins that you can go for. But for this video tutorial purpose, I can just go for TRX again just to show you how it works, okay? And you are going to be seeing all the percentage that you are likely to earn on each of the crypto. You see right here for Ethereum is giving you 2.64 APR. For BNB, 0.97 APR. For SOL, is giving us 6.61 APR. So I'll just go for TRX, and if you scroll down, you see some other coin that is even giving us a very higher return. We have DOT right here, Polkadot giving us 14.9 APR. We have Atom 15.9. We have ING giving us 15.33. So I'll just go for TRX, that is strong. Okay, so for this video instruction, let's talk about TRX. So right here on TRX, what you are going to do is very easy, right? So you are going to scroll down, keep on scrolling down until when you get to this area that says stake, right? You see, you are going to see we have stake right here. This is stake. So you can stake by clicking on stake right here, and if you already have ongoing staking, you can decide to unstake. When you click on unstake, it means you are no longer going to be getting daily return, okay? But when you click on stake, it means you just want to get started. And when you come right here to where it says claim reward, it means you can claim all your reward at once if you don't want to be claiming them on daily basis, okay? So understand that. So the next thing, I'm going to click on stake right here, and I just click on stake right now. It's asking me how much do I really want to stake with. How much do I really want to be staking with? You can stake with any amount of your choice, starting from, I think, as low as 1 TRX. So if I click on max right here, because I've already activated my staking, so I don't have enough TRX on my account anymore. And you see right here, just like I told you just now, you can be staking with as low as 1 TRX. So there's nothing like you don't have money to stake, because as low as 1 TRX you can be staking right on this particular staking update. So once you are done entering the amount you want to stake with, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to scroll down and you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to be showing you all the narration of your staking, and you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it means you have successfully staked on TRX, and on daily basis they are going to be remitting your profit into your account, and you can decide to withdraw it or keep on accumulating it till you think it's fine for you to withdraw it. So it is a very simple way to earn on your unused crypto without even trading. If I come right here to where it says claim reward right here, this is my ongoing staking. You see, if I click on confirm right now, all this my earnings right here is going to be drop into my account, and I can decide to withdraw it, and I can decide to continue with the staking. But right here I want to leave it, and I want to continue to accumulate much more TRS for myself. So it is as simple as ABC. As you can see guys, crypto staking using your Trust Wallet is as simple as ABC, and that is what I just proved to you. If you think you want much more updates like this on this channel, drop your comment in the comment section. You can still drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know which of the crypto you wish I make videos on how to run your crypto trading on that coin, and I'll be there to respond to you. So guys, see this video right here to learn more way to make money right in the crypto space. And right here, if you are just getting started in spot trading, maybe you are just getting started in the crypto space, you can watch this video on how to start spot trading in the year 2026. I will see you on the next one guys. Bye for now.